Good morning, everyone. Here is a case of a second premolar that shows decay on the distal side. So we start with a long shank burr, cleaning circumferentially all the decay. As you can see, the decay is almost circumferentially clean. Now we apply a caries indicating dye and remove all the remaining decay. Now we are making a bevel all around to receive the restoration so that the margins are all flush. Now we're applying some pulp protection agent, Theracal LC. After that, we are sandblasting to make the surface rough. And now etching all the edges, selective caries etching, 20 seconds for the enamel and 10 seconds for the dentine. Now it's time for the bonding agent. And now we are doing immediate dentine sealing. Make sure all the dentine is initially covered. We will restore this tooth in two-layer technique. First, a darker shade for dentine, apply it homogeneously, leave around 0.5 millimeter for enamel, and now the enamel shade, which is A2, and now adapt it really nicely using a brush and some modeling resin. Now we are into finishing of the restoration. Remove all the excess, inspect, and then now polish. Remove all the roughness and now polish it beautifully. The polishing has to be done in presence of water and the finishing has to be done in absence of water. Now let's inspect and check the margins with a probe whether everything is smooth and flush or not. The tooth looks almost natural. Now we're inspecting the margins, whether there is any excess or not, and the tooth looks beautiful, ready to rock and roll again. The patient was immediately able to eat food.